Trustex Limited. With 160 million people, Bangladesh is a space of resolute hard work and unprecedented economic growth. The country's garments industry took off in the 1980s and now borders on $50 billion. And behind this boom were three progressive entrepreneurs who formed Trustex in 1994. Located at Uttara, the first step away from Dhaka's international airport. Trustex is a unity of diverse professionals and advanced technology, a one-step solution for all buyers. The founders, with sharpened exposure in international trade, have refined the apparel sourcing process. Today, Trustex is unrivaled in integrity and commitment and combines sustainability in business with long-term buyer-manufacturer relationship through reliable merchandising, quality control, and unfaltering delivery logistics. It offers a spectrum of services at affordable prices. The HR and compliance areas are responsibly looked after. 24-hour communication system allows for instant response to buyers and stakeholders. The results are there in plain facts. Trustex's turnover in 2021 was $52 million, and it expects an year-on-year growth of 15%. As a result, famed buyers across North America and Europe are placing their trust on this one-stop solution, forming steadfast bonds. It offers a broad range of manufacturing in basic knitwear, outerwear, and denim, as well as specialized casual and fashion wear for all genders and all ages. The merchandising unit is adept and open to 360-degree feedback and input from buyers focused on price advantage, premium quality, and above all, on-time production. The added advantage is combining innovative thinking with expertise. After receiving the tech pack or original samples from the buyer, the costing team figures out the cost of the product and does the final negotiation with the customer. We have highly experienced costing team to adjust the price considering present market yarn price and market trends. After costing confirmation, our development team that are being engaged develops the sample with 100% accuracy as per customer demand with the help of CAD and consumption team. Sourcing team for correct consumption, the correct fabrics and trims are sourced. Then, the design and art team work on all aspects of the logo, printing, and embroidery to develop fashionable designs. And after QC and lab tests, all these alongside the lab tests upgrade quality and production speed. The merchandising and QC team meet with the buyer virtually to solve any issue that arises in development and proto stage and fit stage. Finally, after approval of PP samples, the production process encompasses pre-production meeting, detailed action plans, and specific job allocations. Trustex has unparalleled access to associate factories who exemplify compliance and eco-friendliness. Their competence is kept on track by their team. The associate factories are vertically integrated knit composite units that covers knitting, dyeing, finishing, embroidery, printing, sewing and washing processes to turn out activewear, sportswear like polo shirts, t-shirts, trousers, etc. Tie-up with outerwear factories has opened up manufacturing range of jackets, hoodies, fake-down jackets, padded jackets, etc. In the denim range, products include trousers, shirts, shorts, jackets, etc. A crucial part of the production process is laboratory tests run randomly on samples at different stages. This is complemented by inline and end-line quality checks and following ironing and finishing touches, the final QC. The target AQL is 1.5 for sewing and 2.5 is the strict parameter for finishing. Trustex believes that quality is an investment to be done right the first time. Inspections are thorough for quality and metal-free status. For buyers, individual inspection facilities are available in each factory. Trustex Limited has been thriving to work wholeheartedly for environmental development, quality assurance of products, and satisfaction of buyers. Trustex has been working relentlessly for 3 decades towards the development of national economy and socio-economic arena by earning foreign currency. Trustex Limited is determined to keep this progress in the days to come.